Brown boy, white wife, पे आपका सवाल है. मैं हूँ. Did I do that okay?
Yeah, you did that okay, go on.
मैं हूँ white wife.
And I am Brown Boy. We're getting her to start our videos from now on in Hindi and end them using phrases that you teach her in the comments. I want my white wife to learn more Hindi, so help us out here.
Please.
Okay?
I know bahut. Fuck, I've forgotten the word.
Swadisht.
No. Swadisht is delicious.
Yes, what are you trying to say?
Small.
Chota?
Chota. Bahut chota.
Why do you know this word? What are you trying to say to our audience? Stop hitting me.
Tell me in Hindi.
What? Tell you what in Hindi?
Stop hitting
Stop
you.
it now. Okay. Today we're gonna watch a video called Shah Rukh Khan, SRK, The Man Who Tried. We have a lot of people who have requested this video. And we will tell you who these people are after we have watched the video. Here goes nothing.
SRK Warriors.
मैं सेंट कोलंबस स्कूल में पढ़ता था जो गोल मार्केट में था। मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं फिल्मों का एक्टर बनूं। मेरे जो फादर
look at him.
इंटेलिजेंट सॉफ्ट
God, the
स्पोकन
eyebrows.
जेंटलमैन विद अ ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर। इंडिया के जहाँ तक मेरी मालूमात है यंगेस्ट फ्रीडम फाइटर है। आखिर दिनों में उन्होंने नेशनल स्कूल और ड्रामा में उसकी मेस भी चलाते थे। तो मैं आके नेशनल स्कूल और ड्रामा में बैठा। He just came home one day and he said I've got cancer. मैं 15 साल की उम्र का था जब उनकी फौत हो गई। हमारी बहन की जो थोड़ी तबीयत खराब हो गई उनको सदमा पहुंचा। After he died, my mother, the enthusiasm and the energy that my mother had to earn money so that she could look after us and educate us. और फिर एक play हुआ Lady Shri Ram College के in which Annie gives it those ones. And then a few years later, we kind of started coming to grips with it. And then my mother died of a similar disease. और मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा दुख ही ये है कि मेरी माँ ने ना मेरा टीवी का कोई शेयर देखा ना मेरी कोई फिल्म कोई देखी तो उससे पहले वो चल बसे फौजी सीरियल आया वो पॉपुलर हो गया
Is that his first role?
Yeah, it was a TV show.
वो किया और सर्कस किया So when I got a chance to act in films it wasn't out of any creative desire it was purely out of the fear of failure and poverty When my mother died,
Look at that mustache.
Wow.
I had one of those.
मुंबई आऊँगा मेरे मम्मी डैडी की डेथ हो गई है थोड़ा सा दुख है जाके आ जाऊँगा वहाँ से और फिर मैं एक डायरेक्टर से वहाँ पे मिला तो उन्होंने मुझे पहली बात बोली थी तुम बहुत अगली हो तुम्हारी नाक खराब है तुम इतने लंबे नहीं हो और तुम सांवले रंग के हो तो तुम हीरो नहीं बन पाओगे
मुंबई में दीवानों की तरह स्ट्रगल करने के बावजूद शाहरुख को कोई रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा था
Everybody used to tell me what name you've kept डर फिल्म में कोई डर फिल्म होती है
फिर आया नेगेटिव रोल जिसे कई एक्टर्स ना कर चुके थे
उन्होंने बोला कि ये सब्जेक्ट
Oh, this is when he
Most of the
was
films I
like
signed
being a
had the
bad
stars
guy.
of better known actors and the producers could not find anyone else to do them
Then I approached this actor Shahrukh Khan
जैसे कहानी कंप्लीट हुई ना तो हमको उठ के दोनों को गले लगाया बोला क्या बात है क्या कहानी में करता
It's traditionally the leading man is the leading man. You don't go around killing the leading lady.
मुझे माफ कर देना
They had to have trials in those days to show the distributors. We were all standing there to see what the reaction was, and people would used to call it Patli Gali in those days. Achhi picture, achhi picture. The producer at one point in time was in deep depression. Movie's got a bomb. Nobody's going to give me any money.
प्रीमियर पे मेरे साथ रतन जैन मेरे दोस्त हैं जिन्होंने बाजीगर बनाई थी उन्होंने पिक्चर देखी ऐसा मुझे रतन साहब ने कहा यार शाहरुख की बात में सुपर पिक्चर है तू नहीं होता ना इसमें तो सुपर हिट थी पिक्चर और मुझे नहीं यार नहीं लगता ये नहीं
Jeez.
लगता। लेकिन मुझे एक्टिंग करने का शौक तो है वो मैं नहीं मार सकता वो मैं करता रहूँगा नो प्लेस टू लिव मुझे किराए का घर लेना पड़ा I didn't know what will happen once my films come out. Would I make it as an actor? Would I be able to live here?
And Shah Rukh was absolutely so confident that everything was okay.
because he was an actor he was fully confident
ऑटो के अंदर एक दिन हम दोनों जा रहे थे बोला
Are
गुड्डू
they
देख
still
5
talking
पिक्चरें
about
कर
a
रहा हूँ छठी
specific
तेरी
movie?
अगर चला
I think at
तो
that
रुकूंगा,
time,
नहीं
yeah.
तो दिल्ली वापस
हम लोग जब ट्रेलर में बैठ रहे शाहरुख उतर के नीचे से जा रहा तो लोग सीटी दिया क्लैप मारा तो बोला ये क्या रिएक्शन है तू का
You like this movie actually.
Yeah? We should watch it.
Done enough work. It's just been 5 years.
He's like this dark hero who's like killing people but is romantic, you know?
But he kills the lead lady?
He kills he kills one of them. Yes.
First time
Okay.
I'm getting an award. A major award in the film industry. This one's for you, Mom.
Is Mumbai where the film, where
Yes.
the Bollywood industry is?
Prove myself
Okay.
to be a genuine superstar. मैं कभी comparison नहीं करता. What is better is to say that you are the best, not bother about others. आप greatest हैं, लेकिन सबसे थोड़ा सा better. And I will try my best to be here every year. That I make sure that all of you
He's
get some
got such a
smiles
great
when you see my
face.
Yeah.
He is the most powerful man in the film industry today.
Forbes have called him one of the biggest movie stars in the world.
दुनिया के सबसे बड़े फिल्म स्टार
कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक India's favorite star, an unstoppable living legend.
Perhaps the world's biggest movie star.
Is your competition also younger actors?
I've not come here to compete. I've come here to rule.
I like this. He's so, like, his face, man. It's so good, and he knows how to use it so well. Also abs.
Also, look at the face.
I mean, the abs are right below the face. I could look at both at the same time.
That I'm going to action.
Shahrukh, he's a really soft and really nice guy. But he pretends to be this macho and he likes this action and he likes but he's actually not that.
And somewhere, very quietly, without me realizing it, converted me into a lover.
We just watched that.
Yeah.
So good.
According to me, Hindi cinema is before Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge and after Dilwale.
What does that mean?
Like it changed like cinema. You know how yeah.
Okay. You were telling me that
Yeah.
has such an impact.
He just knows how to hold a woman, you know?
In this country, a superstar will only be that person who will be every mother's son, every sister's brother, every college girl's fantasy.
Mm-hmm.
And he used to always say this, your eyes have something that cannot be just wasted on action.
It's true. Those frickin' eyes, man.
सबने कहा पारों को छोड़ दो, पारों ने कहा शराब छोड़ दो। नाम तो वही है जो हमेशा शांति से जुड़ा रहता है। शांति से पहले, शांति के बाद। कब लिखा है? ऐसा तो नहीं था कि उससे ज्यादा खूबसूरत लड़की मैंने कभी देखी नहीं थी।
Oh my god, that movie.
कभी कोई तकलीफ नहीं होगी माँ। लेकिन मेरे जैसा प्यार कोई नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि किसी के पास तुम जो नहीं। जियो, खुश रहो, मुस्कुराओ, क्या बोलूं? कल हो ना।
This is a really well made video, by the way.
Yeah.
Correct, super. The scene comes with me, lives inside, expose it, take it out, and then goes within and leave a part of me.
Like, I don't even
It's
know
an extension of myself.
the context of these scenes, and I want to cry.
Oh.
It is very lonely at the top. जब भीड़ में आदमी चलता है, तो साया भी साथ छोड़ देता है. So you have to be lonely when you try to be successful. I'm not confident. I wish I was. I lose confidence many a times in a day. I'm the best. I am the best. मैं सालों से ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ, लोग समझते हैं कि मैं arrogant हूँ. It's meant to convince me, in spite of knowing that everybody is better than you, you have to wake up with the confidence that I'm the best today and I will do my best.
मेरा दोस्त, मेरा यार, मेरा भाई.
Actually, मुझसे ज़्यादा अगर मेरी family trouble में हो तो
Correct, वो तो है. लेकिन वो अपना भाई है.
ऊपर वाले ने उनको इतनी इज्जत दी है, इतना नवाजा है. He's a king, and they should be the king. Keep him there.
And that's why I keep going, because the weaker you are, the stronger you can become.
Shah Rukh can spoil you as a director. He's constantly trying to improvise.
उसमें इतनी रेंज है कि के वहीं जहाँ नरेशन हुआ तो वहीं से सीन्स परफॉर्म करके दिखाने लगा और डिफरेंट तरीके से डायरेक्टर के लिए डिलाइट है। लेकिन ये 70 मिनट
This is a good movie too. We should watch this.
Okay.
And these are all great movies. We should watch all of them.
What would happen? What would he do here? What would happen? Things like that. Outstanding. He's got a very attractive energy. He's very charming. Dil jeet leta hai wo.
Have you disguised yourself to avoid attention?
All my life I have worked so that I can be recognized.
No, I don't want to have a disguise and I don't recognize it.
Really honestly, passionately wants to do better, wants to do more.
Shah Rukh Khan is my inspiration.
Yeah, I'm a fan of Shah Rukh.
And one of the finest,
Prabhas.
fascinating actors India's ever seen. Shah Rukh Khan.
In whatever way I can, make people proud of the fact that they like me so much.
Have you ever planned
This is outside his house.
Hollywood?
What?
I want to leave something in this film industry which is beyond films, which takes our films worldwide.
एक व्यक्ति जिसका अपनी पूरी दुनिया उजड़ चुकी थी 26 साल की उम्र में, और फिर उसने अपनी दुनिया खड़ी की, अपने लिए इतना बड़ा नाम इज्जत बनाया.
Whatever I know because of the dignity of women that have surrounded me, taught me, and I want to do something for women. We have a small organization.
और आप लोगों के साथ जो हुआ है उससे बड़ी तकलीफ शायद ही दुनिया में कोई हो. इस तकलीफ के बावजूद भी आप लोग जो है इतनी हिम्मत से और इतने स्माइल जो है आपके इतने प्योर और मुझे इतनी खुशी देते हैं.
मैं सर की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ. Can I touch your dimple? Can I touch your dimple?
Yeah. I would like to continue doing work in India and hopefully take Indian cinema to the world. That's the ambition I have. लेकिन मेरी दिल में बात यह है मैं इतना बड़ा सितारा बन जाऊं that I would like the screen to get bigger कि मेरी माँ जो है वो heaven से मुझको देख सके.
वो कितना नीचे चला गया था.
That's a bird.
Yeah.
He's someone that you should only have regard for.
Go to the movies and applaud actors like Shah Rukh Khan.
Classic Indian films like DDLJ.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
King of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan.
Giant movie star.
Iconic people such as Shah Rukh Khan.
You know, Shah Rukh Khan is an incredible guy.
Shah Rukh Khan.
I mean, Shah Rukh Khan's the biggest, isn't it?
जब बनना चाहते हैं तब मेहनत करते हैं. बनने के बाद मेरी जितनी मेहनत कोई नहीं कर सकता.
अपकमिंग जो आपकी मूवीज हैं उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
मैं तभी एक्टिंग करता हूँ जब मेरे दिल में आता है. तो इस वक्त मेरा दिल नहीं कर रहा. And I wake up every morning with this fear that is there going to be a day when I'll get up and I'll have nothing more to give? Will there be a day when I'll be completely hollow and empty? And it will happen one morning. It will happen like death. And people will say, he was a very good actor.
एक बार clear मतलब बोलना चाहिए ना कि
क्या बोलूँ उन्हें बताती हूँ कि मैं देशभक्त हूँ.
लेकिन अपने दिल की बात जो है.
It is sad for anyone to have to say that as well. I'm not going to sit down and tell people every time that I'm patriotic and I'm an Indian. And with great pride, and I will not give proof of this because of some stupid people.
Shah Rukh Khan has not signed any film. Who Shah Rukh Khan is? A star who reinvented himself and came back with a bang? Or a star that is sadly way past his prime?
Mom, Dad, I made it very big. And I wish you were here to see this. सिवाय मेरी माँ के कोई नहीं मानता था कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगा. और वो हैदराबादी में बात करती थी. इन्हों ना बिल्कुल दिलीप कुमार है मैं कहती हूँ. ये दिलीप कुमार बनेंगे बड़े हो गए. बत्रा हॉस्पिटल है दिल्ली में. उसके आईसीयू में थे. मुझे किसी ने कहा कि तुम दुआ करते रहो. अल्लाह मियाँ जो है सुनते रहते. तो मुझे उनकी फौत के बाद मालूम पड़ा कि उन्होंने कितने लोगों से कर्जे लिए, कितनी मेहनत की. मैं कभी कभी सोचता हूँ कि मेरे माँ बाप जो हैं इतनी छोटी उम्र में चल बसे और मैंने इस दुख के बावजूद जिंदगी जीना सीख लिया. कभी कभी सोचता हूँ आज 53 साल की उम्र में जिंदा होते और मेरी सफलता को देखते तो अच्छा होता.
The prayer actually went off when he was talking about that, by the way, outside. We live in Dubai, so there's mosques everywhere.
सबको लगा कि पठान का चैप्टर खत्म हो गया. हम ये नहीं जानते थे कि वो एक पूरी नई किताब लिख रहा था.
बॉलीवुड खत्म कर.
बॉलीवुड के बॉयकॉट के नारे चल.
ये नहीं काम कर रहा है, वो नहीं काम कर रहा है.
Because everybody is scared and confused.
फिल्मों में जब लोगों पे खतरा आता है तो बचाने कौन आता है?
बॉलीवुड को बचाने उसका बादशाह ही आएगा ना.
Massive protester has erupted against Pathaan and the posters have been burned.
पठान ऐसे भी फ्लॉप हो
Why?
किसी को हिट कराना है तो आ जाए, चैलेंज लगा ले. बाइकआउट मैं नहीं देखूंगा. सिनेमा हॉल में आग लगा देंगे.
मेरे दुश्मन समझ रहे थे मैं अब कभी लौट के ना आऊंगा. एक गुमनामी का समुंदर है, उसमें ही जाके डूब जाऊंगा. अभी बाकी मेरी कहानी है, सारी दुनिया को जो सुनानी है. आ रहा हूं पलट के, मैं हूं पठान.
बड़ी खबर, शाहरुख खान की फिल्म पठान ने रचा इतिहास.
बॉलीवुड में बनेगी आगे शाहरुख खान.
मौसम बिगड़ने वाला है राफिक, अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध ले.
बॉलीवुड फिल्मों के बॉयकॉट का ट्रेंड पठान फिल्म के साथ समाप्त हो गया. ऐसा हवा से थोड़ी ना हिलने वाला शाहरुख खान. द किंग इज बैक.
श्रीनगर के अंदर दर्शकों बाद थिएटर हाउसफुल. बॉलीवुड का कमबैक शाहरुख जी की पिक्चर से हुआ है.
आज पठान ने प्रूफ कर दिया कि इसके जैसा सुपरस्टार और बड़ा स्टार कोई हो ही नहीं सकता.
शाहरुख खान के साथ ही कम्पीट करने वाले. ऐसा बोलो ना.
I'm the last of the stars.
Which film will cross the 100 crore mark? Does all this matter to you?
It's too limiting to give a number. Why 100 crores? Make it 1,000 crores.
If you're going to think of 100 crore as the number of your ultimate aim, maybe a year later we can sit down. It could be the first day collection of the next film.
The only actor who has given 1,000 crore in a single year. एक बार नहीं बल्कि 2 बार.
The emperor, the conqueror, everything that people are calling him, I think is less. He's the biggest star India has ever seen.
How would you like us to remember you?
I don't wake up anymore in the mornings thinking how many crores my film has made. I've got everything, much more than a boy sitting on the roundabout in Kamali Auditorium watching cars go by because his father can't afford to buy a film ticket. Can have. You can't take that away from me.
If I was to explain myself, I think I would explain myself that there's an actor somewhere in India
He should be remembered for the fact
who has tried.
and he tried very hard.
You can take away the awards, the money. You can't take away the fact that I became Shah Rukh Khan.
सालों पहले समंदर के सामने खड़े होकर शाहरुख ने कहा था, एक दिन मैं इस शहर पर राज करूंगा.
दिनों रात लोगों के होते होंगे मधुका साहिब, शेरों का जमाना होता है.
नाम क्या है सर?
डंकी.
Which we saw
Yeah.
in the theaters, and it was awesome.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's thank you so much for recommending that video. That's an amazing video in general, like the way it's edited, the way it's made, but also like what an amazing story,
yeah.
right?
It's very inspirational.
Yeah.
It makes you just want to like stop making excuses for anything.
He's just so charming and like well spoken, and he's funny, but he's like confident. It's just there's something about him that
And
just,
grounded.
Yeah.
He's so grounded.
Yeah.
Like you feel like, yes, Shah Rukh Khan is Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
But Shah Rukh Khan is also, like they were saying, he's your brother.
Yeah.
He's your boyfriend. He's my boyfriend. He's my boyfriend.
He's a man who knows himself.
Yes.
I think, and he knows who he is and what he can do, and I think that's his power.
Yeah, which is so gorgeous because so many of us don't know what
Yeah.
we can do.
Yeah.
Like we wildly underestimate ourselves and
Right.
convince ourselves that that's the truth.
Yeah, and I knew a lot of this stuff even watching this thing, but it still made me emotional and it got me pumped up when it, you know,
Yeah.
because it just is. It's such a great story, and he
Yeah.
says it so well too. Because you're hearing it in his own words, aren't you?
Yeah. So, question.
Yes.
Why was Pathaan boycotted?
There was a few things. It's such a long story, but during that time, there was a whole thing about boycotting Bollywood in general.
Okay.
There was this actor called Sushant Singh Rajput who committed suicide, and after that, there was a lot of like things just escalated where people were like, "Stop watching Bollywood. Bollywood sucks." And so people were just like not watching Bollywood films. And well, it's also India, so people don't necessarily need a reason to be angry. There's a lot of political stuff that happens.
Okay.
And
passion.
And we're very passionate people, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Again, thank you so much for requesting that that video. She's gonna look at the people who actually requested it, so we can thank you personally. While she does that, I do want to remind you that we're going to be doing a watch along this week, and we're going to do it live. You won't be seeing the video with us, but there'll be a number counter, so you know that the movie is playing with us and what you can catch up and watch along with us. I will also be editing those videos separately. If you want to watch a cut up version with the video all actually there, you'll get to see that as well. And yeah. Who do you want to thank?
Great. So I want to thank Aki Busain 4858. Thank you. And all of these other comments are from the same person. User MG7. Dude,
thank you, user.
Change your username, please. It is a mess. But thank you for recommending this
so much.
5 times, 6 times.
Yes.
That's great.
Until then, bye. And don't forget what Hindi words that...
Hindi phrases.
You know what? Here's a little Shah Rukh Khan thing you can say. End with like main hoon na.
Main hoon na.
How
Kya hai?